Hi, I'm Neil Andrew Robinson. I am the Managing Director of ESEDS School of Design, India's first British indoor design school, pioneering, award-winning, and of course providing the best design courses we think in India. And I think our student awards attest very much to that. We'd like to, obviously, all of us, including myself, thank you for choosing ESEDS School of Design and trusting us with your design education. We think you have made the best and right choice. Once an ESEDian, always an ESEDian. We are there to support you from education all the way through to your placement and through your career. Okay, so without further ado, have a great day and I will see you very soon in August. Thank you.
I'm Alok Kumar Singh, the Creative Director at ESEDS School of Design. I welcome you all, the batch of 2025. At ESEDS, we just don't teach design, we live it, redefine it and question it. This is where global talent meets local perspective. This is where innovation thrives on ethics and you become a designer with a difference. Welcome to the world of ESEDS, where sustainability meets futuristic design and innovations.
Hello, my name is Dr. Nick Duggan. I am the Director of Education for ESEDS School of Design. I'd like to just offer you a very warm welcome on joining the school, and I know that you've made an excellent choice for your future career and future studies. Having been part of ESEDS since the beginning, I know you have joined an outstanding institution of world-class quality. You have excellent teachers, programs, and I am totally confident that this is the best choice you could have made in India and worldwide. Congratulations on your choosing, and I wish you the very best of success for your studies.
I'm Shubhadeep Adhikari, and I would like to welcome you to the ESEDS School of Design.
You're glowing, you color and fracture the light. You can't help but shine. And I know that you carry the world on your back. But look at you tonight. The lights, your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. Set fire to your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, kiss it, daddy, body. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, kiss it, daddy, body.
ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੇ ਰੰਗ ਬਰਸਾ ਰੰਗ ਦੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ ਹੈ ਪੁਰਜਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਬਾਹੋਂ ਸੇ ਲਿਪਟ ਗੁਲ ਜਾ ਸਾਡੀ ਸਾਹ ਦੀ ਡੋਰ ਨੂੰ ਲਿਜਾ
Look what we found, karma reached out into our hearts and pulled us to our feet now. You know the truth is, we could disappear anywhere as long as I got you there.
ਨਜ਼ਰਾਨਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਖੋਣਾ ਕਿਨਾਰਾ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸਫੀਨਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਪਾਰ ਲਗੇ
When the sun dies, till the day shines. When I'm with you, there's not enough time. You are my spring flower, watching you bloom wild. We are surrounded, but I can only see the lights. Your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, all the baby won't sleep. Chumma, kiss it, daddy, body. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, all the baby won't sleep. Chumma, kiss it, daddy, body.
Hello everyone, my name is Shrishti Mukherjee. I'm your senior, Fashion Department, batch 2021 to 2024. So the message I want to give you is, first, concentrate on your studies, please. এরকম করো না কি কলেজে এলে বাট আধেক টাইম বাইরে থাকলে, which we did and we are not proud of it. So don't do that. And second is, you have amazing mentors over here. And I have my favorite people from this college who have helped me throughout. Alok sir, Varnali ma'am, Akash sir sitting right there, and Shwebal sir, and these two people, Akash sir and Shwebal sir, I always call them. Even if I have the littlest minor inconvenience in my life, I will always call them. So they will always be with you. They will always guide you. Just concentrate. don't do the mistakes we did, and trust me, it's going to help you a lot in your life.
Hi, this is Shubhoshri from ESEDS School of Design, Fashion Department. Welcome to the ESEDS family, guys. We are so excited to see you all on campus. Let's design a better and greener future together.
Hey juniors, we are super excited to have you with us. Get ready for the great memories and friendship.
Hi, this is Doris Rosario from Fashion Department. Welcome juniors. It's great to have you here. Hope you have a fun time and make great memories.
Hello everyone. I'm honored to be the acting president and the vice president of the Students' Council of ESEDS here, and I would like to welcome all the students and my junior batches here at college. And you can connect to me all the time whenever you want me to be around you.
Hello, my name is Tanaya Sen, and I've chosen ESEDS because I always wanted to do something creative, and I thought that I have some creativity inside me, so I wanted to explore that here, and I've got a very good platform to do something big.
You think that ESETS can be a normal college, but it is not. It is very innovative, and it sees design in a way that no one other has done. That's what drawn me to this college, and I'm feeling very thrilled to continue my journey in this college.
আমার এনভায়রনমেন্টটা খুব ভালো লেগেছে, সবাই খুব মিন্স হেল্পফুল, আমাকে হেল্প করে, কিছু আমার ডাউট থাকলে সবাই আমাকে ক্লিয়ার করে দেয়।
বাবা বলল যে ঠিক আছে চল দু একটা কলেজে গিয়ে দেখি। দেন দু একটা কলেজে যাওয়ার পর আমি এসএসসি এলাম, অ্যান্ড এখানে টিচার্সরা এবং তনয় স্যার অবভিয়াসলি প্রচুর ভালোভাবে গাইড করেছিলেন, অ্যান্ড তারপর থেকে যে দিনগুলো কাটছে জাস্ট সো মাচ ফান, অ্যান্ড I enjoyed every day.
During this orientation days has been amazing. I got to make so many new friends. I meet the faculty every day and they are really supporting and cooperative. They guide me very nicely.
Orientation তো খুব ফান ছিল। ফার্স্ট ডে, সেকেন্ড ডে, থার্ড ডে, আজকে আমাদের ফোর্থ ডে। তো ওরিয়েন্টেশন 4টে দিনই ফান ছিল, 4টে দিনই আলাদা আলাদা ছিল আর খুব ফান ছিল। সবাই সিনিয়র্সরাও এমন কি আর ভয় লাগছে না, খুব ফান মোমেন্টসগুলোকে ফান করে দিচ্ছে আর কি, ওটাই।
বিশেষ করে প্রথম দিন এসে প্রচুর নার্ভাস ছিলাম, ভেবেছিলাম হয়তো কেউ কথা বলবে না, কোনো ফ্রেন্ড হবে না, বাট এসেই প্রথমে একটা 6 জনের গ্যাং বানিয়ে ফেলেছি।
টোট ব্যাগ যেদিনকে বানাতে হয়েছিল ওইটা স্যারের সাথে খুব ফান হয়েছে।
I am loving the orientation program. Everything is set so systematically, and every day it seems like I'm learning something new, and I'm going back home with a lot of good memories and everything. Like, it's lovely being here.
খুব ভালো লাগছে শিখে নতুন জিনিস। আমি কিছু একটা বানাতে গেছিলাম, অন্য কিছু একটা বেরিয়ে গেছে, স্যার একটু হেল্প করে, কিন্তু মজা লাগছে, খুব ভালো লাগছে বলতে গেলে,
অনেক এক্সাইটেড। পুরো ক্লাসটা স্যারের জন্য একদম আরো ফান হয়ে উঠছে আর কি, ভালো লাগছে।
Enjoying the whole process.
I really like the fact that we are being eased into getting into started with the classes and not exactly rushed into them. So it's a kind of bonding, creative outlet. Liking it a lot.
I mean, খুব ভালোই লাগছে। আমি অনেক বকাও খেয়েছি সেবাল স্যারের কাছে। ভালো ইন্টারেস্টিং লাগছে।
স্যারের সাথে ক্লাস করে কেমন লাগছে?
খুব ভালো লাগছে, ভীষণ ভালো লাগছে, অনেক কিছু শিখলাম।
কি কি শিখলে তুমি আজকে এই ওয়ার্কশপটা নিতে গিয়ে?
আমি শিখলাম কি করে চুরি করে ছবি আঁকা যায়, শর্টকাটে কিভাবে ডিজাইন করা যায়। আমি আরো 2 দিন ওয়ার্কশপে এসে আরো নিশ্চয়ই আরো কিছু শিখবো।
So I'm a visitor to the gallery. All right. So I see a really fat cat who is electrocuted. Then he has been taken to a doctor. These are the machineries. All right. The nurses over here dancing because I don't know. Okay, the cat doesn't have any money, so it is sad. This I don't want to comment on. Egg poach, the cat needs to have sitting on a boat. And finally, lot of blood tests, lot of things happen to the cat, but it doesn't survive. So its soul leaving its body. Its soul leaving its the ESEDS board, campus, everything. and then finally family members get to it.
Hi, I'm Varnali Dasgupta. I'm from the Admission and the Administration Department.
Hello students, I'm Tanmoy Unik from Admission Department.
Hello, I'm Diksha Banerjee, Head of the Interior Design Department.
Hi, my name is Preeti Malik and I'm the Head of the Fashion Design Department.
Hi, this is Aprupa, Assistant Professor of Design Department.
Hi, I'm Debulina Boshak. I'm the Assistant Professor in Interior Designing Department.
Hi everyone, this is Kaushik Mukherjee, Course Coordinator and Placement Head of Interior Design Department.
Hello, I am Shrija Das, Faculty Member in Fashion Design Department.
Hello, this is Jurek Yadav from Admission Team.
Hello students, I am Shoval Karmakar from Design Department.
Hi, I'm Pratyasha. I'm from Communication Department.
A big welcome to our newest batch of designers.
This is the beginning of something amazing.
At ESEDS, you will learn to design not just rooms but experiences.
At ESEDS, fashion isn't just about looking good. It's about doing good.
Now you are the part of the community that thinks beyond floors and walls.
Let's design with empathy, innovation, and vision.
The upcoming academic year will be full of learning, fun, exploration.
And yes, with a few assignments sneaking in, we are going to make this year a memorable one.
হ্যাঁ কাজিস আমার ভিডিও দিস না আমার তো চাকরি বাকরি নিয়ে সমস্যা হয়ে যাবে